Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mack here again, and today is time for another quick Plenty tutorial on how to go ahead and start farming on Plenty. This tutorial assumes that you've already added liquidity and that you've already... Red, stop! Hey! Okay. Anyways, this assumes that you've already added liquidity to the liquidity pool, and we did that in the last episode with GiftDAO. And now we're going to go ahead and head over to the farms on the Plenty site, add liquidity. So first you want to head over to the Plenty website, head over to farms like you just saw me do. Then hit gift out, stake, and like in the last episode you saw that I had this amount here. So you just hit max and that'll work fine. You want to hit confirm stake. And hit confirm right there. So now you just wait about 15 to 30 seconds and you'll start earning those gift farming rewards. Now I think gift one, you could actually get gift coming out of it. So you can actually harvest the gift DAO from this. So this is a pretty cool feature. Alright, so I went ahead and waited a few days and just so we could stack up those lovely farming rewards. Now I'm gonna head down to the gift pool and it looks like I've accumulated some gift as well as some plenty. So you have two choices in this case. You can either hit harvest here and you can do the temple confirmation, or you can head over to the main Plenty. It'll show you right here your total plenty. It doesn't show you your gift you're going to earn here. It's just going to show you your plenty. So just hit harvest all. This is one of the first dual farms I've seen on Tezos. It's kind of cool. And hit that. Okay, and then just hit confirm. Let's go ahead and check my balance here first. My plenty right here, I had almost none, I think. I had a little bit of plenty here. So 0.9, let's see when a transaction gets confirmed. And let's check my GIF before the transaction goes through. So GIF isn't, looks like GIF isn't here. So it looks like I have no GIF. I have no GIF. So just wait and it'll show up in a couple minutes. Okay, let's just go like I'll reload this one more time. Looks like I can see GIF out there. And it looks like it's loaded my GIF. You should be able to see that in the wallet. Yep, okay, so I got the plenty and I got the GIF. Alright, that's it. Congratulations, you have now officially harvested the dual GIF and plenty pool. I'll see y'all in the next video.